This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a notebook so you can run code immediately. Sign in with your Google account, then open Colab and create a new notebook. Choose Python 3. Once created, make sure to set the runtime type, GPU or TPU if you need acceleration, because hardware changes performance dramatically. After selecting Hardware Accelerator and confirming, you can run the first cell. Run small tests like print, hello, to verify the environment. This ensures kernels and packages will behave as expected. Now you manage data and libraries so your experiments run cleanly. Mount Google Drive with Drive. Mount /content/drive to access large datasets. Once mounted, change directories with %cd into the project folder so relative paths work. If a Python library is missing, install it using pip install package == version or use apt-get for system dependencies. Restart the runtime if needed. Also use ls to inspect files and the left pane upload tool for quick transfers. These steps keep code finished by executing, sharing, and preparing for issues so your work is usable. Run cells in order, and when you install heavy dependencies, use runtime restart and run all to avoid state inconsistency. To collaborate, click Share, set viewer or editor permissions, and add a note about the runtime and required packages so others replicate your steps. If the kernel dies or you see OOM errors, check RAM and disk usage. Reduce batch sizes, clear variables, or switch from GPU to CPU.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.